My name is Dries from RAW4x4 and we are here at Rugged Africa in Durban with the owner Alfred, and we are here to install a RAW4x4 Nitro Max suspension lift kit to this Hilux. A RAW4x4 kit will greatly improve comfort, safety and ground clearance while carrying heavy loads. To get the best suspension solution for a vehicle, first we need to have a clear understanding of the accessories fitted and the type of load that will be carried. This Hilux has a front wild dog steel bumper and on the rear cattle rails with an auxiliary battery. RAW4x4 always recommends fitting the suspension after all other load-bearing accessories have been installed to ensure maximum comfort and optimized load carrying performance. First, we need to measure the vehicle ride height. This measurement is used to calculate the results of the lift after installation. Let's get started on the fitment. First, we need to remove the old suspension from the front of this Hilux. The raw Nitro Max strut is built tough to last. Now, let's get these new struts and coils on the vehicle. Once the front is done, we can move on to the rear and remove the old suspension. Once both leaf springs are installed, we can move on to the new shocks. The overall lift all round on this vehicle is 55mm. For any more information on RAW4x4 suspension components, please visit our website www.raw4x4.co.za. Thanks for watching. Tim, enjoy the ride, man.